Hello there, and welcome to my how-to video on Microsoft PowerPoint. I will cover the basic rules, tabs, and actions that can be used with tabs to help you make an appealing presentation for a school project or a job anywhere. Let's get started. I will start with a few rules. These aren't really in PowerPoint, I just know them from school. First rule, 5x5 rule. This implies that you should have 5 words per slide. That could be crucial if your presenting time is limited. For example, if it's just a small presentation, you're able to get less words on it and still have the same info which you've gathered and shorten it. And yeah. Rule number 2, font size. This implies that you should have good size font for everyone to read and gather info faster. So if you're in a big conference and you create a slideshow, you want to have your font at least a size 24 or larger so everyone can read the font, but don't go too large or else it'll just go off the screen and we don't want that. Sorry, I'm listening like that. Now that we've covered a few simple rules, let's get to some actions. One action that you can do is add pictures to your presentation to make it more visually appealing for this audience. You will want to do that, go into the Insert tab, taking a screenshot or uploading a picture from the internet, or copying and pasting from the Home tab. Another action that can help you make your background or theme is a background. This can help you add color or just a simple presentation to get really bad marks or not get the job. You do this when you start PowerPoint. You find themes when you start it, or you can create your own, and then when you want that into your screen, you can do that. I'll show you it now. Say we want, I'll go mesh. Create. See, I'm creating all this, so now it just looks like mesh, and I'm typing awesome. So I just added a few words. I'm gonna also add who it's by, which is myself. And yeah, that helps you make it more interesting and somewhat appealing more. The final action that can help you is to add info, which is useful for your job or the subject that you're presenting on. You always get facts from that, but you can gather info that nobody knew about or something, and that could also help you with a job if you know more than others about the company or franchise or organization that might benefit you in the future. Next, we are going to cover a few tabs, so let's start with the Insert tab. This is where you can add screenshots, graphs, or charts. So I'm going to add a new slide first. Just use that. Okay, look at that. So I can also do it from a slide, but I'm just going to show you from the tab. So I'm going to click charts. Let's get a pie graph. We're going to go 3D. And it should pop up. So there we go. And it also, I guess I didn't know this, but it also adds a spreadsheet or Excel sheet if you're using Microsoft or Google. It adds that into the chart and slide, which is also beneficial in mainly jobs. But I'm going to cut that out now. Screenshots. We're going to go take a screenshot now of my homepage or this thing. So should come here. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Sorry. I'll try that again. So we're gonna take a picture of this. There, it is now popped up, and you can rotate it and make it sideways if you wanted to, or slanted, but we're gonna leave that for now. That's it for that. Another tab is the Home tab. The Home tab is where you copy and paste pictures, take font sizes and make them different colors and size. So we're gonna make this size about 24. I'm gonna go 32 as it was, and make the font color. How will I do that? I'm gonna make it red, so it's gonna be bright red when it shows up. As you can see, it shows up. It's mainly the color for stops if you're driving, but there's one thing. I'll change fonts now, and we're gonna go Black Coke Standard. As you can see, it changed size and width, so it's more wider, but it kind of shrunk down, not as much. It just really widened, mainly. Next slide is, well, the next tab, actually, is the slideshow tab. From here, you can record the slideshow, use, hide the slides, set up the slideshow, customize, present it online, start it, and present it from the beginning. So if you're a techie guy and you know what to do, you just press F5 and it starts the slideshow. But if you're not so techie, just press that button that says from the beginning. Also, you're able to record, as I said. So if you click this button, record the slideshow, right here, it will record the slideshow from the beginning and go until the end. And it will record all voices, all the timing, and maybe questions. I'm not sure, I haven't tried it yet. But anyways, that's my how-to video on Microsoft Word. PowerPoint, sorry. I hope that worked for you, and those are just basic things that you should know about Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to see more, just go to YouTube if you have internet or a phone. And I'll talk to you later.